Environment will not be like mixed in one.
Bagus gak?
Bagus, tapi ini mana?
Atasnya kayak bolong.
There we go.
Alright, thank you. So we will all.
Good morning from the week 3 of my college life in the second semester, and now I am in the campus right now, and it is Tuesday because yesterday on Monday I just took a rest at home, didn't do anything because I was just tired, because in the last weekend I went to the Melbourne and also to to tidy all the kind of things at home, because there will be some infections at my home. So I just did take a rest at home yesterday. So this is my first day to go to campus for this week. I just want to finish the assignments today because I had the assignments to finish before the tutorial. So I will make it really good for this semester. I will do something that I did wrong in the first semester. So pray for me to start the new semester with a good ways. This is even in this, it is the third week. There will be the second meeting. Okay, because the meeting is fortnightly. All right. Let's go walking. Start from the parking lot so far to the building. Good night. This is the second meeting, even it is in the third week, but it is the second meeting for me to have the class. Yeah, you know that I went to the campus in the early morning to finish some of the assignments. Not the assignments, like the progress to have the assignments, to progress to finish the assignment. Now, and in the afternoon I went home. Now I'm going to the campus again because my class is at 7 o'clock. Yeah, this is my choice. So this is the consequence for me to go to very late evening, in the winter, and it is super cold outside. Even in the car it is warm enough for me now. But yeah, this is life, this is my choice, and this is the college life. So should be like more roller coaster to have this kind of experience. So accompany me to finish all the journey, especially also in the very late evening class for this semester. Let's go.
power and influence at the end of the day shows
You know what? Still with the same outfit in the last night in my class. Now I have the class in the morning and I am super late. It's been 8:12, so I am late 12 minutes. It's crazy and stupid when you have the class, the very late class yesterday and the very early class in the next day, in the following day. So I hope I can make it. No worries for the lecture, no worries for the tutorial, but I have to make it go. All right, let's go. Sorry for messing you around.
Put your topic in, and on one side I've got left wing views and I've got right wing views. I'm using one space here because I'm here, but you can do it much smaller. You are in a smaller space, alright? So, both the priest and the boy were from opposing kind of sects, and that's why the boy attacked. And so he said that he was saying harsh and miserable things about his background, and so he decided to take the law into his own hands and stab the priest. Not a good thing to do. But, and the boy decided that he used this as a platform to say, immigrants in Australia are calling too much trouble, let's send them back. So people attacked him and said, but you're an immigrant too. You should go back too.
Perspective, the left wing and right wing will not be like mixed in one specific country, because I think in China we don't, the school totally ban AI in education, so it will be totally a
You have to treat it the way the indigenous people would ask you to treat it. You know, she likened it to the fact that if you had a visitor in your house, so say if you invited a visitor into your house, to your space, you wouldn't expect them to do whatever they want. They will have to abide by your rules. You know, if you said, I don't want coffee cups on the table, you can't put coffee cups on the table because that's somebody else's table. You get it?
Just finish the class. You know, the class is so really good, and even I was late and I just finished my breakfast as well. So I'm going to the Great Hub again to have like a little work and little job to do before going to the Chatstown to pick up my shopping at Uniqlo Chatstown. Now, yeah, today is not really in a rush like yesterday, but I want to make it effective as possible to have like a lot of productivities for my contents, for my academic, and for my future jobs. Let's go. There will be an event here at 12 o'clock. Oh, the big event. So maybe I will come here. Yeah, later. Kenapa? Karena dengan adanya satu tools andalan ini, kita bisa mengeksplorasi proses editing kita. Jadi tidak hanya mendekap begitu ya, hanya di Adobe Premiere Pro. Kita bisa eksplorasi ke aplikasi-aplikasi lainnya yang memang berasal dari Adobe Creative Cloud. there is a party in the afternoon. I want to get inside, but I had a event first to have the meeting with the mentee that I joined the program, which is called mentoring program. This is like the winter village, I don't know. Wanted winter. It's really cool. Maybe next I will get inside. All right, bye for this time. It's really crowded. And it's free for the students. There we go.
All right, thank you. So we will all agree that with all of the people have been saying. So one more thing I would like to share is about the tip that you let your mentees lead the conversation. So normally as a mentor, we would think that we are going to giving advices or like helping out people. So normally we will dominate the conversation. So it's very useful to know that we should let them drive.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Friday. Yesterday I didn't do anything. I just stayed at home to take a rest, you know, deep breath and do some exercise, going to gym, just like that. Now this is Friday, almost weekend, but I had one assignment to do, and I am planning to go to campus to do that assignments. Even like you know, I didn't want, because of this assignment I was thinking a lot that I had to do this quick and I have to do this very good. So yeah, it is what it is that I have to go to campus right now. So accompany me to finish all the kind of things, and yeah, see you in campus. Too much exposure, right? We didn't see any kind of views outside, yeah, because of this is afternoon. A lot of sun. Sunscreen should be there. Yeah. Hi, now I'm in the campus on Friday to finish the assignments, which will be submitted in 2 weeks. So with this charity, which is very delicious, I'm going to finish all the things. Let's go.
Det var ret sådan, men det var fordi, du havde en god samtale med. Du må sige til, hvis du skal i seng eller noget. Det er så helt okay. Vi kan bare, okay, vent. Er du bare i seng? Skal jeg slutte den her historie tidligere, du have the details? Okay. Okay, fair nok. Ellers er det altså helt okay. Men, eller det ved du selvfølgelig godt, ja. Men så hedder det, men så kom jeg sådan derind, og så var jeg sådan, jeg ved ikke hvorfor. Men sådan, okay, så det er sådan, du kan godt huske den der, der var også en translation, som vi så noget af, ikke? Og sådan den der vibe med sådan, at når man er i en stor by helt alene, det er ret hårdt, ikke? Og sådan, jeg ved ikke hvorfor, men jeg fik faktisk lidt den vibe, der stod ude foran den bygning.
Done for today's. The assignment is really pressuring and make me depressed, because it's, you know, the level is higher and higher every unit. It's I thought in the beginning that first semester I got it, second semester I will, but the fact that the unit seems more difficult than I thought, so I have to be struggle enough to make it more comfortable for me to run this semester. I hope the score is still the same as I did in the first semester, even with the high effort and also more effort. Yeah, I'm still depressing with my assignments. So sorry.
Bagus gak?
Bagus, tapi ini mana?
Atasnya kayak bolong deh.
Hah?
Atasnya kayak bolong.
Nggak ada yang bolong, ini kotor doang dah.
Yaudah, yuk. Oke. Buat di mana? Buat nyimpen mukena gitu lah. Yeay. Agak akan bedain bunga itu.
Enggak.
Ini mata ini gimana?
Atasnya. Nah ini nih si jam akhirnya. Ya, ketemu.